How to restore photos on your iPhone using an iCloud backup. So if you're missing photos in your iPhone gallery, I'm going to show you two methods to go and restore these from the iCloud. The first solution is just to open up the Settings application, click on your profile name at the top of this screen, and then scroll down and select iCloud. Underneath Save to iCloud, click on Photos and make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on and enabled. Now what this will do is start downloading all of the photos from iCloud back onto your iPhone. So you'll just need to wait for these photos to finish syncing, and how long this takes depends on how many photos you have to sync. Now the second method is you can go and open up an internet browser. I'll be using Safari, and what we need to do is head over to the website iCloud.com and click on Sign In. Now, just go and sign in to your iCloud account. You could then click on Photos from the list of options, click on Select in the top right-hand side, and then just go and select the photos that you want to download onto your iPhone. Once you've selected your photos, click on the three horizontal dots in the bottom right-hand side, then click on Download 5 items and click on Download. Once these photos are finished downloading, you can then come back over to your home screen, and you need to go and open up the Files application on your phone. From Files, click on Browse in the top left-hand side. Click on Downloads, and here you'll find the iCloud Photos zip. Click on this, that will unzip all of your photos into this folder. So you can then go and click on the folder, and here you'll find all of your different photos. So what we can now do is click on the three horizontal dots in the top right-hand side. Click on Select. Click on Select All. Click on the Share icon in the bottom left-hand side. Scroll all the way down and click on Save Images. These will automatically be saved to your camera gallery. So now if I go and open up my photos, you'll be able to find these in your album. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.